Ready to supercharge your Tableau dashboards with even more data? First, open your Tableau project. We need to head over to the Data Source tab located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it. Now, look for the Connect to Data section. On the left you'll see a list of various data source options like Excel, text files, SQL Server, and more. Select the type of data source you want to add. For example, let's click Excel. If you're adding an Excel file, a window will pop up prompting you to select your data file. Navigate to the location where your file is saved. Select it, and click Open. Tableau will then import the data, and you should see your new datasheet appear in the data pane on the left, ready to be used in your visualizations. If your new data needs to be joined with existing data, drag the new sheet onto the canvas and Tableau will automatically attempt to establish a relationship between the tables. Based on common fields, you can manually adjust this by clicking on the relationship line to configure the join type and fields. And that's it. You've successfully added a new datasheet to your Tableau project. Now, you can start creating even more insightful visualizations by incorporating this new information.